Hello guys, what's up? I'm back and today I've got some news leaked about OnePlus 7. As you guys might know, this device is gonna launch in few weeks. Before that, we have got some rumors and leaked about this device, and today I've got a major leak about OnePlus 7. The front of OnePlus 7 is leaked on a website, and in this image we can see the front of device. The display is flat, no notch and no cutouts in the display. So which leads us to another speculation which says it might have a pop-up camera like Vivo XS. So this is also a rumor not confirmed. And in this image you can also see there is a black shadow on the top. So image is not very clear. So this thing is also not confirmed that there is a notch on top of display or not. Whatever you see in this image, but one thing is confirmed that OnePlus is trying to go bezel-less, and I think they are trying to find a way how to make a bezel-less display with very tiny bezels, and they can also put their camera. This retailer has also listed some specification of OnePlus 7, and in this listing we can see this device is powered by Snapdragon 855 processor, which is confirmed. This is the latest flagship chipset from Snapdragon, and most of the devices coming this year will be powered by this chipset. This device gonna have 6.5-inch AMOLED panel, and this is a large display along with 16 megapixel front camera. Moving to the back of the display, and there are triple cameras, and these are the rumors not confirmed. So this device gonna have triple camera setup on the back, and this retailer haven't listed the back of the device, but we have got some leaked images from other sources, and in these images you can see there are three cameras on the back of device. The main camera is supported by a 48 megapixel sensor along with 20 plus 16 megapixel cameras. So there are rumors that this device gonna have an ultra wide camera. So increasing in the number of cameras, we can assume there is a ultra wide camera on this device along with a depth sensor. So 2018 was the year of two cameras, and we have seen many devices that came with two cameras, but now in 2019 it seems like this is the year of three cameras. And the main purpose of triple camera setup is that the object to fulfill the requirement of an ultra wide camera, and I think this ultra wide camera gonna be the trend of 2019. OnePlus 7 has 4000 mAh battery, and I think 4000 mAh capacity of battery should be the target of smartphone brands, and every flagship should come with 4000 mAh battery capacity, and OnePlus has got this device for 44-watt fast charging, and this is the OnePlus own technology called dash charging. So OnePlus has also got this thing, and now you can fill up your device in minutes. That's for now, and if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace out.